Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 410 Drone and Travel. My name's Tony. In this episode, we're going to be reviewing the TUMI Parrish backpack. I decided to go with a second backpack for the year. A lot of people who've watched the channel ask me about my Alpha Bravo Deluxe. I love it. I've had it for a little over a year now, or just about a year, and just decided to start using a second backpack. I'm going to transfer stuff over a couple times a year, just for a different vibe. And I got a good deal at the TUMI outlet, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Here we go. Real quick, before we get into the episode, do me a favor. If you happen to be new here, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel out a lot. Make sure you hit that bell notification for all my latest reviews, vlogs, etc. I have some good content coming in the next couple months as soon as the coronavirus COVID thing is over. And if you're not new here, I appreciate you guys coming back. Thank you very much for the support. Let's get into the episode. Okay guys, here is the TUMI Parrish backpack. I decided to purchase a second backpack so I could have one at two different times of the year, really. And I went with the Parrish backpack because I like the style. I like the way the gray on this specific one popped. And it's a little bit different than my Alpha Bravo Shepherd Deluxe backpack. And if you're interested in seeing that backpack, there'll be a description up top and in the description below. Okay, let's start with the bottom zipper compartment. A little bit of stuffing and whatnot in there. If hopefully you can tell, it's just a standard compartment. Most likely I'll be putting my mouse in there, my credentials to get on and off of military bases. I'm in sales, so I travel quite a bit and on and off of ports and military bases. But it's a very decent sized zippered compartment, probably 6 to 8 inches wide, and it opens all the way up. Okay, on the right hand side of the backpack now, we have about a 6 to 7 inch tall zippered compartment. Get the stuffing out of here. As you can tell, it's just a open compartment. Nothing crazy, nothing major. I'll probably keep my laptop adapter and or chargers in here. It's perfect for that. And again, great zipper. No issues whatsoever opening and closing it. Now, I haven't gotten my monograms or anything done on this yet, but you can get monogrammed on the back here at any full access TUMI store or on the front. And you will be filling out this part in here, so in case it gets lost, somebody can look at it and call you right away. Now, down at the bottom is the other zipper compartment, and it might be a little hard to see, but right down over here is a vent. And some people have asked me, what is that vent for? Well, the vent is to not allow moisture to get into your backpack. People would say, why are you going to get moisture in your backpack? Well, this compartment is rubber inside. I don't know if you can tell, it's not a fabric, it's rubber. You can put a water bottle in there, a wet rag, if you happen to be using this for a gym bag or whatever. It will fit a 12 to 16 ounce water bottle. And if it happens to be ice cold or whatever and leaks a little bit of water, if it leaks a little bit of water, it will dry out through that drain over here at the bottom. It's a vented type of drain. Basically just allow moisture to escape. Okay, let's move on to one of the main compartments. This right here is the main compartment for stuff. Right off the bat, we see the TUMI Tracer. Now, a lot of people don't know what this is and don't utilize this to its fullest. Essentially, you take this number or scan the barcode there, the square code, and you register your bag with TUMI online. You then have a record of this bag being yours and yours only. If it happens to get lost in an airport and somebody returns it to airport security and or a TUMI store, they can get back with TUMI in their database and scan this and see that it is your bag. So it's a one-of-a-kind bag, registered only to you. And unless somebody gets your information and re-registers it, they cannot take this bag and claim it as theirs, because it is registered to the person that registered it online. Take a look inside. This is a typical TUMI backpack. It's got several pockets. You can fit some, I know it's hard to see, some cards in there, some business cards, pens, pencils, papers, whatever. There's a pen slot there. I will probably be putting a couple pens, a couple markers in here. And of course, it's got the TUMI key holder. This is a very good feature. I use it all the time when I'm traveling on an airplane. I hook my keys to it, just slide it right back in there. It stays in there until I need to get back into my truck. But it goes down very deep. Not sure if it's hard to see or not, but it does go down very deep. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag, about 8 or 9 inches down. Not really made for too much. That's not where you put your iPad or anything, but it does go very deep in there. So you can put other electronics in there, maybe a smaller tablet or your iPhone when you're going through the airport security, etc. Okay, moving our way up, you see we have the monogrammable tag here. Like I said, I have to go to the TUMI store and get my initials on it. I'll be doing that in the next week or two. But let's get to the other main compartment here. Okay, here is the main compartment. It is very deep, very deep. I will probably be putting my file folder with brochures and etc. in it. I'm in outside sales, so I do carry this bag around. I will be carrying this bag around for my everyday use. It will have everything I need in it. So I'll have a small file in here with brochures and whatnot, and that will basically everything that I need in there, including maybe a mouse pad, but I'm not sure yet. I do like that it's got a separate zipper compartment up front here, as you can see. Okay, let's zipper that up. Now, on to the very main compartment here at the top. Okay, and here we go. Zippers all the way down on both sides. And boom, there you go. You got the accordion main section of the bag where your laptop, your iPad, tablet, etc. goes. And I will plan on putting both my iPad and my laptop in here. Okay, as you can see, you have the main laptop section in the back there. It will hold up to a 17-inch laptop from bottom to top up to the lip here. And a lot of people have asked me about this lip before. This lip helps prevent scratching of your laptop with the zipper. That's why the zipper overlaps this, and the end of the laptop will sit right on the lip there. But your laptop goes in here. There's a small zipper compartment here that you can put envelopes, any stationery you might need, a small stapler, etc. in there. And I'll probably will put envelopes in there. I don't use envelopes too often, but I'll probably keep a couple in there just in case I need them. And from there is the tablet section. This is where your iPad, tablet, etc. will go. I'll be putting my tablet in there. And in the main section here, you have just an open space. Some people use it for clothes, a pair of shoes, change of shirt, change of pants, a pair of pants, and a change of clothes, whatever you want. But a lot of room in there, a lot of soft lining. Does have the honeycomb lining in there for your iPad and all that stuff on both sides so you don't get your screen scratched. This is a very versatile backpack that I'll be using for different seasons. I'm moving away from the Alpha Bravo Shepherd Deluxe. I've had it for just about a year now and just want to try something different. Okay, moving on to the back of the backpack. Unlike my Alpha Bravo Shepherd Deluxe backpack, this handle is attached to the shoulder straps. It's kind of different. I'm not sure how I like it or how I feel about it yet, but it didn't bother me too much. On the Alpha Bravo Shepherd Deluxe, it's attached here and here. But also, like my Alpha Bravo Shepherd Deluxe, we have the magnetic phone holder. And I use this, it's hard to tell, but it'll hold up to 2 iPhones, and we'll demonstrate that now in a second. I use this when I go through the airport. My phones will go in here, slide in here. Here it's shut, magnetic shut. It's secure until it goes through security, and I get my phones back out. Let's try it out right now. Phone. We're gonna open up the magnet, slide it in there, closed, done. Open it up, grab the phone out, boom, done like that. It's simple, easy peasy. And like I said, here is the back portion. The handle attached with very heavy duty nylon thread with a leather holder and leather endings on the memory foam squishy shoulder straps. They're the best in the business. I never have issues with my shoulders hurting no matter how much weight I have in my backpack. Take them out. And that's what it looks like with the shoulder straps out. And as you can see, it's got that ergonomic curved, not straight up and down, which does hurts people's shoulders. Your back curves like that, so TUMI made the straps to curve like that also. And of course, you got the pass-through with very good padding that sits up against your back. The pass-through is good for your TUMI rolling luggage. Now into the straps themselves, we got a couple D-rings here along with a nylon hook. I hook my AirPods Pro or my Beats headphones with a clip to these while they're sitting on my rolling luggage as I'm going through the airport, so I don't lose them, and it's one extra thing I don't have to carry. So I use these a good bit when I'm traveling in the airport. But other than that, this is a great backpack. I got a really good deal on it at the TUMI outlet the weekend after Black Friday, and that's why I decided to have a second backpack and go with 2 per year. And hey, you never know. You might see me with a third one here soon, so stay tuned. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, like I said, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below. I'm an open book. Ask me anything you want about any of my TUMI products. I still own them all. I'll be more than glad to answer any questions you guys have. Again, I appreciate the support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.